Hi everyone, this is Hasham Tanvir, and today I've broken the world record on time trails, which is the ultra shortcut on Grumble Volcano on Mario Kart Wii. So let's find out, since I've done it already. So the aim of the track is to move forward a bit and face towards the rock on the left. The pillar should appear just to the right of your arm. Really, and use mushroom and you will get onto the rock. So drive forward and over this dark brown mark, like here. Then you have to repeat that again by here as well. But still, drive carefully around the rock. Keep doing this for 3 times until you get to the finish. Just repeat that. This is Hasham Tavia. Ta-da!